Welcome back, bogies. Thursday evening. God, I've done so much today, but let's crack on with the other side, passengers, driver's side. Yeah, we need to finish off the driver's side floor. We've done this side, looking all bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, long day today, been at work, cooked dinner, took kid out for driving lesson. Finally get a little bit of time in here, which is all good. So, do that. What else was I going to say? Oh, I've just taken off the wide angle lens. It's started to get a little bit burnt, so we're back to the normal iPhone camera, I'm afraid. I haven't put the microphone in, so I might put the back in a minute. I don't know how good this microphone is. And one day we'll get some proper camera equipment, but at the moment it don't survive very long in these garages. In my garage, so good credit to this iPhone for still going really. But anyway, let's roll the car back over because I think it's going to be easier than trying to drag everything around that side, and while it's on the spit might as well do that. So yeah, let's roll the car over, which means cleaning this off, which I could just roll it over and it all just tips off. I am sort of tempted to do that, but that's just silly, so I won't. Well, that went a little bit dodgy for a second, but managed to catch it. I forgot to take that repair panel off, and that went fine. Battery powered. And a grinder. So we're back to this, so that's good. So what we need to do is do the same as what we did the other side, which was trim up this old wheel arch and remake the bits that we want to. So let's get the angle grind on that. I might try and save the wheel arch, I'll see. Let's get the wire wheel on it and then see how it cleans up, and then that will decide whether what we're gonna do. I think it's a little bit harder to see at the moment because it's near the top, so sorry about that. Anyway, I thought about it. In the end I just cut it all out. It's easier to sort of than it was to try and grind all the way to MIG welding and oval area. So basically what I'm going to do, I've cut this bit out, which is sort of the rough shape of where that came from. So what we do, we cut another bit of metal to match this wheel arch, get that welded in. I think I'll do that first. And then we can trim it to suit the old panel of what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, let's just do that. And then the next panel we can do after. So yeah, alright, cool. Let's find some old door skin, I expect. Alright, cut a bit of foreskin. Bosh that on there, and then we can trim it up to match afterwards, not a problem. Left my bloody gas on overnight. Luckily I haven't got many leaks, but yeah, it's never a good thing to do. Before we finish the floor off, we must finish this corner off as well. There's always bits left, and then there's always bits. Anyway, let's get this tacked on and shaped and thing, and then we get on with the last section. The rear part of the wheel arch needs to be done still, but let's get this on. Okay, got that on, don't look too bad. Lay this back on, which is the old bit of floor. Can roughly see where it goes. God's sake, it don't need to be accurate, does it? You know. And then we can just give it a bit of a shape, just in case some of these purists look under my car. Hey, I'm using a marker pen. Highly accurate purists. Cool. Let's cut that out. Get on to the next bit. Okay, ultra close up. Oh! Cameras that move around. All modern cons. Alright, back of this wheel arch. Just cut a little bit. Don't think it needs much. And then we'll be there for the last bit of the repair panel. Go in there. Roger. Okay, got the rear arch bit done, just a bit more grinding off to be done yet. I'll get a brand new flappy pad for that. Just clamp the rear boot floor in, repair panel in, into roughly position, so I can then now just see how big an area I've got to make for the repair section. So let's get on and do that. Okay, that's me done. Definitely time to clean up this place soon. Bloody dust everywhere. Oh, dust in my beer. Oh, iron brew. Anyway, a little bit of a hole to do, but that's fine. Once I roll the car over, a hell of a lot easier to do. So yeah, that's not too bad. Just trim the edge of that. That's fine. I can do all that on the lens panel. So that's pretty much it now. Just a couple of little bits, and then we're basically ready to weld the rear plate in. Just double check its position one more time, mark the subframe holes and drill them. So by the time you've recorded this, I would have drawn the results for the giveaway, so I shall try and announce them in the Friday video. So good luck and thank you for everyone that entered. So all good. So yeah, your prizes will be winging your way to them over the internet or by post. So yeah, that's it for now. Can't think of much more to do. Time to go in, time to get some sleep so we can go to work, eat dinner, weld, repeat. So yeah, hopefully everyone's enjoying it. Getting there, so till next time I think. Bye. If I could just do one last shout out, I could really do with some bonnet hinges for Mk1, so if anyone's got any laying around, even if they're the pattern ones, please get in touch. I could do with some. That'd be great. Oh, and I haven't even forgot what I've been telling you for tea yesterday. So Tuesday obviously was pasta Tuesday. We had some ping meals, but I didn't really have much pasta. I just had leftover chicken with some potatoes, so that didn't really count. Next day we had sausages and mash. And the next night, tomorrow night, we're going to be having, which will be when I have this video, so yes, I'm going to be having chicken fajitas. Stay tuned to what I have for Friday. Right, bye guys, Mk1 hinges.